Would you believe that the LED, or light-emitting diode technology we use every day, was actually discovered almost a century ago, in 1927? That's right. This humble yet revolutionary invention, which illuminates our world in ways we often take for granted, has a rich and surprising history. LEDs have evolved from simple indicators to the backbone of modern illumination, transforming the way we light up our lives. Now let's delve into the fascinating journey of LED technology from its inception to the present day. The year 1927 marked the birth of LED technology when a Russian scientist named Oleg Losev observed light emission from a diode. This was the first time anyone had witnessed such a phenomenon, and it was Losev's keen scientific acumen that made it possible. He noticed something unusual, a diode that emitted light when an electric current passed through it. This was a groundbreaking discovery, one that would eventually transform the world of lighting as we know it. However, despite the potential of this new technology, it remained largely unexplored for several decades. In those early years, the world didn't fully grasp the implications of Losev's discovery. It was a concept far ahead of its time, a gem hidden in the annals of scientific research. It took the world a while to catch up, to understand the immense potential of what Losev had stumbled upon. This initial discovery was just the beginning. The real revolution was still to come. Fast forward to the 1960s, where the LED technology truly began to evolve. The decade was marked by an invention that would become a cornerstone in the LED narrative. In 1962, a scientist named Nick Holonyak Jr. developed the first visible spectrum LED. Unlike its infrared predecessor, this LED glowed a bright and distinct red. This was a significant leap forward, as it opened the door to using LEDs in practical, everyday applications. As we moved into the 70s and 80s, the focus shifted towards efficiency and brightness. Researchers worked tirelessly to optimize LED designs, resulting in lights that were not only more powerful, but also more energy efficient. LEDs began to shine brighter with less power, enabling their use in an ever-growing range of devices. From calculators to digital watches, these tiny light sources started to infiltrate our lives in subtle yet profound ways. But the real breakthrough came in the 90s. After years of trial and error, the elusive blue LED was finally realized. This was a game changer. Why, you might ask? Well, with the addition of blue, LEDs could now produce white light. This meant that LEDs could be used for general lighting purposes, an application that was previously the domain of incandescent and fluorescent bulbs. The inventors of the blue LED, Isamu Akasaki, Hiroshi Amano, and Shuji Nakamura, were even awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2014 for this groundbreaking achievement. Now, LEDs come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and their applications are nearly limitless. They light up our homes, our streets, and our screens. They're in our cars, our phones, and even our clothes. They're used in medicine, agriculture, and entertainment. And as we look to the future, the potential for LED technology is even more exciting. The evolution of LED technology has been truly remarkable, transforming from a simple red light to a spectrum of colors illuminating our world. LED technology, in its essence, is all about efficiency and versatility. Now let's summarize the key points that make this technology so remarkable. Firstly, efficiency. LEDs use up to 90% less power than traditional incandescent bulbs. This is because they convert nearly all energy into light, rather than wasting it as heat. This not only lowers your electricity bill, but also reduces your carbon footprint, making LEDs a green technology. Secondly, longevity. Unlike other light sources, LEDs don't burn out or fail, they merely dim over time. A typical LED can last up to 50,000 hours. That's approximately 17 years of use if switched on for 8 hours every day. Astonishing, isn't it? And then there's versatility. LEDs are used in a myriad of applications. They started as simple indicators and displays, but today they light up everything from our homes and offices to our streets and stadiums. They are even used in medical devices and in space technology. To add to this, LEDs come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. This opens up a world of possibilities for artistic and aesthetic applications, from mood lighting to architectural illumination. So, next time you switch on a light, remember the incredible journey of the humble LED, from a tiny red light to a technology that lights up our world.